This process is pretty simple. It shouldn't take you more than 25 minutes, but let's start by removing this panel right below the stereo. You're going to want to use a non-marring plastic panel removal tool like this one. I'll have a link in the description area below. It basically allows you to pull on panels without scratching them like a screwdriver would. So start by prying at the corner on the right hand side and try to pull outwards, straight out. And then once you have a little loose clip there, you can use your hands and work your way around the panel to remove it. It just has pressure fitted clips, a couple of them behind it. I want to show you this in real time so you can have an idea how difficult it is or how easy it is. So it's a pretty simple piece. So there's 2 screws now that you need to remove. Phillips. And I forget what size the socket is. I'm sorry. It might be a 7 though. 7mm. Use your ratchet or use your screw gun. You'll notice I have a blanket underneath. Usually it's easier if you have a big fluffy blanket to lay your panels on while you're doing other work so it doesn't scratch anything else. So now this panel should be free. Go ahead and work your way around it with the pressure fitted clips behind it. Just a couple clips right there, as you can see. All right, so then there's 2 screws on top, and then there's 2 screws on the bottom there. Go ahead and remove all 4 of those. Before I show you how to remove the stereo from the back, I just want to show you the plugs themselves. Most of these plugs require you to press down the tab and pull outwards. So this red plug's all the same. This black one, that little black tab right there, press down on it while you're pulling that lever up, and that will release it. So now I'm going to show you in real time here.